Hey beauties, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia Styles. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple beginner friendly makeup look. So without wasting time, I'm starting with my eyebrows, just applying some powder to make sure that I get rid of the oil in the eyebrows. So I'm using the She Glam eyebrow gel. So starting with a brown, I'm just drawing and filling in. I'm also going to add in some black. So I am just making sure I'm following my natural eyebrow. Yes. So I want my eyebrow bold. That is why I am adding some black to make it look bold. So I'm also cleaning the excess with the concealer, and then in the corners I'm going to be using a foundation, and the upper side also I'm going to be using a foundation. So this is how my eyebrows look. Yes, so as a primer I'm using the Sephora Hydrant. This is very good. It really hydrates my skin, and it really prevents the excess oil. It's like an oil control. It really moisturizes and also prevents the oil from popping out of my makeup. Yes. So I'm using a foundation, and I'm going to be blending this with a brush. After, I will go in with a blush. The shade match is amazing. Make sure to choose a foundation that really matches your skin tone. So I'm using the Makeup Forever contour and concealer palette. It also has some blush on it, so I'm using the cream blush. So I'm going to be concealing my under eyes, my forehead, the nose, my chin, yes, and on the lower jawline. So you can use a concealer that is a little bit brighter than your foundation or than your shade. A little bit, not too bright, but a little bit brighter. So I'm just blending everything. When you are a beginner, you need to blend and blend and blend and blend really well, so that your makeup does not come out cakey. Yes, so I am using this contour palette. This is actually a bronzer. Yes, I got it from Temu. So I'm just trying to give my face some shadow, and I'm using the powder to set and then bake. I use the same powder. So rub the excess on my hand and then just pat. That is what setting means. So make sure it is well blended and not standing on your face, not sitting, just sitting on your face, because it is going to look cakey if it is not well blended. And time for baking, I'm using the same setting powder to bake. So I will be leaving this for a few minutes as I continue with the rest of my makeup. So time for the eyeshadow. I'm using the Huda Baby eyeshadow palette. Yes, this is an eyeshadow base. I also got that from Temu as well. and it is really amazing. You can see how it is easy to blend. Yes, I'm starting with a brown. And then I'm going in with like a pinkish, purplish color. So I am going to top that with a black. And then I'm going to be using some glitters that I got from Temu as well. So they really didn't need a glue because they are not glitters on their own. They are like eyeshadow glitter, something like that. Yes, so I'm also using the excess eyeshadow on the brushes on my liner, and also using the She Glam eyebrow palette as my eyeliner, and cleaning everything with a concealer. So I'm applying the false lashes and also going in with a mascara. And now it's time to blend the powder, so make sure you blend it really very well. Just pat. Yes. So I'm using the same contour palette to contour my nose. So do not forget the corners of your eyes as well. Yes, so more blush. Yes, there is nothing as too much blush, I believe. So more blush. So I got this lipstick palette from Temu as well. So I'm starting with the powder and then going in with a dull red color, and then a white. Yes, blend, and I hope it really came out really beautiful. Yes, so I'm cleaning with a concealer. Yeah. Some setting spray, I also got it from Temu as well, and that is the finished look. Yes, the eyes, the glitters didn't really do much for me. That is not what I wanted, but because the glitters keep on moving, I think next time I will use a glitter glue to make sure that the glitters stay in place. And that is it for you guys. Bye, I'll see you in my next video. Yes, the look is giving, it is nice, it is cute, I like it. It is only the eyes part that is a little but I like it anyway. Bye, see you in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment what you think about this look, and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye, see you guys, and I love you.